Every single thing a computer does, from sending a text to playing a song, follows the same 3 steps: input, process, output. Learn these 3 words, and you understand the heartbeat of every computer. Every computer task has exactly 3 stages. First, information goes in, that is the input. Then the computer figures out what to do with it, that is processing. Finally, the result comes out, that is the output. Anything that sends information into a computer is called an input device. A keyboard, a microphone, a camera, a touch screen. They are all different ways of saying, here is some information, now do something with it. Processing is the step in the middle where the real work happens. The computer reads a set of instructions called a program, follows them step by step, and prepares a result. It all happens inside a chip called the CPU, the brain of the computer. Output is the finished result that the computer hands back to you. A screen, speakers, a printer, even the vibration in your phone. They all deliver the answer in a form you can see, hear, or feel. Here is the fun part. Once you know input, process, output, you see it everywhere. Unlocking your phone with your face, streaming a song, using a calculator, they all follow the exact same 3 steps every single time. Every computer task, on any device, anywhere, is just input, process, output. Remember that pattern, and nothing about computers will ever feel completely mysterious again. Next, we open the box and look at the hardware inside.